Welcome back to Winter's Model Farms, and today we're going to be looking at a very new product for, this is November 2019 right now, and this is a 2019 Fall Farm Show New Holland FR920. Alright, first thing, just look at the box. It says 2019 Fall Farm Show on it, FR920. That's the New Holland logo and Ertl. Then it has one picture here on the back of one in real life, actually chopping. And so there's that. This comes with two different headers. Comes with a normal chopping header here, and comes with the grass pickup header. And just to look at a few details here on the forage harvester, it's actually a forage cruiser, is what New Holland calls it. But one thing that they did that I liked is up here on the cab with the Farm Show emblem of the 2019, they kind of curved that around. I thought that was a neat implementation instead of doing like two lines, as sometimes you'll see on toys. This is a dual tired version, and so that's kind of unique for forage cruisers or forage harvesters. Most of the time you won't see them with duals. It does have flashing lights here on the mirrors, and the mirrors on this toy, I don't know if you can see them, but they did like a gray on them, and most of the time toys don't have any detailed there. It's usually just straight black plastic. It does have the blue leather package in the cab. On the side you can see how it says New Holland and then the FR920. Moving on to the back, you can see some more like a caution tape or caution logo, whatever you want to call it. Moving back onto the top, it's pretty good detail here, and this auger or shoe, whatever you want to call it, moves up and down and side to side, really 180 degrees side to side. I don't think you'd really need that, but and the back tires do turn and tilt back side to side. That's pretty nice. And here the feeder house goes up and down, and it kind of clicks up and clicks down, which is something I would like to see more on the combines that Ertl makes, and even other people, because sometimes headers are too heavy, so that will actually keep it up pretty well. And just real quick, bring in for comparison, we did a video here on this FR850, and you can check that video out too. And we put this custom GPS on it, and we put it in the front, and so we might actually move that back to the back of the cab, just since this one does. Not really going to dive into those details, but just so you can see them side by side. And I think these headers from the FR850, which this one was a folding one, and this new one is not, but I've actually tried this before. We're going to try to see if we can put this old one on this new forage cruiser, which I don't know if in real life it would work, but maybe you could drop a comment and let us know. And it does actually hook up, so you could have the folding header, which, I mean, even they're same size. I mean, it doesn't really stick out that much more than the duals, so maybe that's why they don't have a folding header. I don't know, but if you wanted that option, I guess you could make it work as a toy. And the grass pickup header is actually pretty much the exact same plastic injection mold. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.